Okay, so video settings, okay, right here, basically you got two options here. If you click it, you have a context menu and related video, okay, related videos basically. So context menu allows you to actually protect your player branding and people cannot actually save your videos, okay. So you can also promote your product. Whenever they right click on your video, they will see your product website URL, okay. Right here you can insert here, you can insert like a text, okay, they want to shop, and you can also insert an icon or a logo right here, okay. And basically related videos, it's a fantastic feature now. And this one, if you select it, when you have finished watching the current video, you're going to see related videos, okay. So let's say that you're watching some TV shows, okay, some TV series or episodes, and you want to have related videos after the video ends. You can set it up from here, okay, which I think is pretty cool. You have two options, collection videos or account videos. Let me explain both of them. So collection videos and account videos, if you want to show related videos from your entire account, obviously you're going to select account videos, okay. But if you want to show the related videos from the same collection, you can just select collection videos, okay. Pretty easy stuff. So in a nutshell, account videos means that if you have 100 videos or 1,000 videos in your account, related videos will be from any of these 100 videos or 1,000 videos, okay? If you have 50 videos in one collection, okay, let's say, and 50 videos in collection 2, if you select collection videos, then it's going to ask you from which collection you want to show related videos from, okay. So if you select collection 1, for example, then the related videos will be shown from that collection, okay. If you want collection 2, then it's going to you're gonna pick like collection 2, okay. So another thing that you can do with Motvio is actually creating a collection, or you can add existing videos to a collection, which I'm going to show you in the next video, how to create collections, okay. So let's move on to the next one.